Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, everyone, turn on your cameras, please. Yes. I have two, three informations. Okay, and we have very little time. So, Haya,
Hi,
sit there.
ma'am.
Amila, please turn on your camera. Come on, come on, come on. Haya.
Yes, ma'am. One minute, 1 minute. I didn't hear you because my speaker was not on.
No, Amila, you should be ready with this before class starts. You do this every time. That is not acceptable. Tomorrow onwards, you can be there.
Ma'am, there were lots of people on my monitor book.
Laser first set. I have two, three informations first. See, Lego competition is today, right?
Yeah.
Laser and Amila have given name for Lego competition.
Ma'am, I am prepared for it. And ma'am, what about me? I'm prepared. In Lego,
You have
ma'am.
given
Ma'am,
Amila. You're ready, right? One
ma'am,
second.
in Saudi there is in Lego. I checked it.
You didn't bring Lego?
There is no Lego in here. You can buy
Okay.
one. There are just like food shops,
It's okay, no
dress.
worries. You don't have it, right? So,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, Ahmed. Please turn on your camera.
That's not that
Milan,
much.
Amila, third hour. We have Lego competition, okay? You have to join PY Recreation. Sounds good? I'll be
Ma'am,
there.
ma'am, I don't have a Lego.
I have not given
At
name, so it's fine.
10:30, 10:30.
P3 hours. What is your P3 hour? Check the calendar because we all have different timings. So if I say the
E3.
time, it will be confusing. So
Uh,
P3 hour, Amila and
Second
Milan.
language. Ma'am, can I say the people that I got?
One second, Lazel. I have few important informations to send first. See, today P3 you have second language. So during the second language, you have to join. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. So PY recreation. Now Milan.
Second language, when the second language ends, right?
No, at the beginning of second language, third hour you have to join the competition.
10:30?
Yes.
Hmm.
Sounds good?
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, sounds good. Ma'am, can I say sounds good. Sounds
One second. Please listen to me first. Just give me a thumbs up. There are like very much informations remaining. And Milan, please share your screen and take classroom. Please share your screen and take classroom. Take home page, home page. Home, dear, home, yes. Refresh once. There should be a new classroom for you. Okay, classroom as you will get a classroom, okay? You will get a classroom called as robotics and AI. You are in Cambridge. You have joined Cambridge. So
no,
already,
ma'am. But we have to. Did we pay?
yes, you have already paid Milan. So
Oh.
Milan, you P4 period, P4, okay? After the third hour is over or second language is over, at that time, you have to join this new classroom. It will be there. Any doubt, just text me, okay?
Ma'am, you're telling the robotics.
First, only for Milan, please others. So you have to join in the P4.
Ma'am,
Whatever happens, you should be there.
ma'am,
Okay, Milan?
what is like the last
Robotics and
subject?
AI. Yes, that's the class you have to join.
Oh,
Got it? Yes,
ma'am,
Amila.
yes, ma'am.
And
Only
Haya,
Milan?
you guys didn't give a confirmation. Can you ask your parents regarding confirmation?
I have two things to
Yes, ask
say.
and come. We need it.
For what? For the robotics and AI joining.
Yes. Ask fast and come.
Should we pay? Should we pay first?
Yes, you have to pay this.
Ma'am, I have
This
three
was done
questions.
yesterday. Yes, Laser?
Ma'am, can I give me 2 minutes? Ma'am, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am,
Got it? Join.
can I give me 2 minutes?
Yes, I will.
Ma'am, I have three things to say.
I'll come to you, Laser.
Ma'am, what time do I have to join? 12. Okay. Okay, I'm joining, ma'am. Amila, don't
Amila,
join.
you're joining?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just ask Mama to send a message to Jamshi ma'am or the mage admin? She sent a message yesterday to Mama so that I can send you the group. Okay?
Yeah. Ma'am, mine is not completely confirmed.
Okay, you have not confirmed. Amila, your Mama will be sending the message, right? Okay, sounds
Yeah.
good. Haya, just confirm and let me know. This theme, it will be complimentary for you. You just have to buy a kit because robotics have a kit, so you will have to buy.
What is the robotic thing means?
So detail, I think Milan will tell us by next week. Robotics mainly is about AI technology. You will be learning more about it.
What for robots? Oh, you mean artificial intelligence? Yeah.
So you'll be learning about that. You have a kit, so you have to buy that. So you needed to give me a confirmation quickly, okay?
What kit? What kit? That one I had it, but
Mage will
robotic
pack and
kit.
ship you the kit, okay? Once you buy it, don't worry. Yes.
How much?
I think Milan, your father has already paid for it. Your side is
Millions.
already completed. Okay, you have to join P4. Just join P4. Sounds good?
Okay,
And
but
Amila, from your
what do you
confirmation,
get?
if your mama sends confirmation P4, you will also have to join the robotics class. Sounds good? Amila?
Yeah.
Yes. Lazel, what is it that you wanted to tell me?
I have three things.
Yes.
Are you guys having a feast or not?
Feast.
Yeah, Ramadan feast.
Ah,
No.
I'm having with. I'll go to teacher's home.
I have. Who? Which teacher? Which teacher?
I'll go to Shiny Ma'am's
Yes.
home,
This
Amna
is
Ma'am's home.
yesterday. On my everyone's home. Now my monitor book. I have to say something.
Laser is our monitor for this week, okay? Yesterday he got selected.
And higher DJ race and Amina DJ race and Amina DJ race and again and Amina playing with her eyes.
Playing with
Amina,
ice, that we cannot do anything. People play with ice, okay?
Amina and higher dancing in class.
That
I
also,
saw that on Hindi. On Hindi.
that also, I don't think it's against the rule. They can dance. Hand raising, yes. I'm going to ask the teachers if they
One
said
is
yes,
saying
then a
to
black star.
one
Remember,
is
our
saying
star count is
to
zero now.
Amina
No, from today
join
onwards.
Saturn class. Ihan took a million didn't.
Okay.
What? Yeah. Yeah.
So people,
Yeah.
everyone
Yeah.
will have to join
Wait.
recreation in P3, okay? P3 you have to join recreation. Others will be audience.
Ma'am, can I show you something real quick? Ma'am, should we also join?
Yeah, we will be audience. Our friends will be.
Look at how much Legos I have. Look how much Legos I have.
Hey, wow.
Ma'am, I had it. The blocks.
You have the blocks. I mean, you want to join?
No, I had. I do have some more Legos in my room.
I mean, you don't have. It's okay. It's not a compulsory competition. You have not given the name, okay?
Ma'am, so in P3 we also have to join recreation.
Yes, we will join as audience, okay?
So now we'll have to guess who's better.
No, we just have to see and encourage them. We don't
So
have to.
who's going to be the audience?
You guys are going to
Ma'am,
be.
why Amina has joined here? It's not Max, it's science.
It's not math.
I just no, it's science, Amila.
Ma'am, you like these guys so much that you have joined
It's
for this
math.
hour also?
It is
Math. Why
ma'am.
you are confusing, ma'am? It's math right now. Science is second
It's
hour.
maths, ma'am. Second period is science.
What is this,
Yeah.
guys? Ma'am got confused, no? She
Ma'am,
was
are you fasting? Ma'am, are you fasting? Yes, ma'am is fasting. Me too.
Amina ma'am is definitely fasting and I am
Stop the
eating a
cap,
lot.
brothers. Me too.
Okay, bye guys. I have a class. Don't forget.
Bye,
what I
ma'am.
said. Milan, you have to join. Amila,
Ma'am,
I'll send a
if you
message
have
to your mama
Lions-
if you have to join or not. I
Okay.
will get a confirmation.
Amira, don't. Amira, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, if you have
One
Lions,
more
what will
thing. If If they are not raising hand to talk, just let me know. I'll give them a black star. Okay? Please let
Can
me
you
know.
please answer? Oh, don't worry. I will
No,
write it on my book.
not only raising hand, people. You have to. She has to call your name. Then only you can speak. Just raising hand will not work. She has to call your name. If you are not letting that, you will get a black star tomorrow. That's for sure. Bye bye.
Bye.